welcome back to my channel R.A.R Music and Tech, and welcome to my new subscriber if you are a new subscriber of my channel. And this channel is about music. I will talk a lot about music, especially beatboxing, because I'm a professional beatboxer. And also I will talk about some of technology, I mean the devices that I use for producing content, and also producing some kinds of music. And this time I will try to unboxing and review this. What is this? Maybe this is a mystery box, I don't know. So this one is the boom arm, microphone boom arm, the desk boom arm. So the one that you usually see it on the broadcast radio type of studio, and also many podcasts that you could watch on YouTube use this type of desk mount, I mean the arm for the microphone holder. Why I buy this? Because I have the desk microphone holder before, and I think sometimes the what the distance, I mean why I need to search a word of distance. The distance between my mouth and my microphone, it's too far away, and sometimes more noises will catch up compared to when I just talk on top of the microphone directly. And that's why I need this boom arm, the desktop boom arm. So I will try to open it. I don't know how to open it, so let's just break. So this is the thing that I want to talk about. So this is the professional recording stand microphone model NB-39. I don't know what is the brand of this boom arm, but I will open it from here. Let me put down the scissor first for safety measures. And what's inside the box is the boom arm itself. Ooh, it feels heavy. And also this is the clamp for the desk. You need to clamp your desk at most 4 centimeters in the height of the desk. And what else you get from here is this one. So this is the arm itself, and I think there's something inside here. And you got the microphone holder, which I think I will not use it because my microphone holder is from R.A.R, and you know R.A.R is a better option from the microphone holder for my microphone. And you also got some of the, what is this? Oh, so this is the invoice from 33 Music. And also this one is just some words from the music store that I just bought this microphone holders, the boom arm from that store. And let's just install it right here right now. So I will show you every part of this device. So this is the microphone holder that they give to us, to me. I mean, this is made from plastic and some, I don't know, this may be a thick plastic and not a metal, while R.A.R is surely metal. So I will not use this part here, but I definitely need this part right here. So this is for clamping your desk. At most your desk is 4 centimeters. If it's more than that, it would be too hard to clamp. I mean, it's too far, it's too... Okay, let me rotate it first to adjust to my desk first. I don't know why this part just feels funny to me. Okay, so I will install it. The desk right on my left side. Okay, so it started to climb here. Okay, I just to make sure that this is strong enough to hold this bar of iron. So this one made from the steel. You can hear it. So it's not plastic, it's an iron, a metal, and you can flip it over right here, and it has some what you call this thing, and then okay, you just need to put it inside of the desk mounted clamp before. Put it in, and you need to put this part on again to make sure that the arm itself is strong enough. So you can rotate this arm about 180, I mean the 360 degrees, and you can see it right here that it got clamp here, and it could rotate in 360 degrees also. So I think I will try this part here and just change my microphone from the stand mic here. I will just rotate it off right here and put it on the the broadcast on here. Okay, I will put the what is called windscreen, the windscreen form off first to install it to my okay, I forgot about the adapter here. So they are the screw adapter here. I forgot to put it off, and I need to put it on first to the microphone holders here. So it's from 6.3 to the 2.5. I forget about the millimeters of this device, I think. Sorry for making the sound of this sounds not too good. And let me install it here. Okay, so I think I will just like plug this off for a while and just plug it in again. Okay, so this one now more broadcasty feels like, I think. I don't know about the connection here, but I think now I could record it like this. So This actually feels has more broadcasty feels to it. I mean, yeah, it does feels better than when I just use the desktop mic here and there. So that's it. That's the result of my unboxing and review of the boom arm microphone for the microphone holders, the desk mounted one. And thanks for watching. See you next time.